Ow, it's going down. It's good. It's going down. Look at all these wings. Hey, hey, y'all. Just seasoning up some wings to go on the grill. All these wings I done watched so far. Just thought I'd drop by real quick and season my food up on here. Can you give me a paper towel?
Put them over here or just hand
Yeah,
them?
you can.
We'll do a little girl stuff. Yeah, no. Swing it before we want us to fight. It might fit. We almost done. You heard me?
Yep.
Love you.
Love you. I had him freezed. Hey. Hey, y'all. I'm making cherry and peach wings tonight. Oh, cherry, peach, and buffalo. So I got all these wings here. Do I need to drain the water out or what? I believe I do. I believe I do. Get some of this water out of here. Get some of this water out of here. Ooh. I hate I touched some paper towels. Alright, I don't want it too dry. Y'all, so dry my hands off real quick. I hadn't froed out since my live this morning on TikTok. I knew it was gonna puff, but it's cool, it's cute. All right. I got my Lowry's. I'll put on here. Add a little more. I ain't gonna add no cayenne. Oh yeah, I'm making buffalo, cherry, and peach wings.